Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change fingerprint animation on Samsung Galaxy smartphones. To customize the fingerprint unlock animation on the Samsung smartphone, you're gonna have to download and install the official customization app from Samsung, which is called Good Lock. Now you can download it either from the Galaxy Store or from the Play Store if it's available in your region. Just enter the store, open the search field, and search for the Good Lock app. Then tap install next to it and wait until this application is installed on your smartphone. Open it. Agree to terms of service, and then let's select the LogStar. Download this module, wait until it's downloaded, and then let's open this module. Then let's turn off battery optimization to make sure that the module works properly. Tap in turn off, then select allow, and then select your fingerprint icon and select one of the available styles right here. So for example, I like this costly one. Now once the animation is selected, let's just tap on the lock screen, then tap done, and now let's try to use our new fingerprint unlock animation. Oh, except for I didn't add the fingerprint. So let me fix this real quick. Okay. And as you can see, the animation is now applied. So that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.